able to submit those.
Speaker wa kaunti ya Nyandarua Ndegwa Wahome akinyite mbere ya kamiti ya Senate ya guthurima mahuthiro ma mbeca cia kaunti. Kamiti ino iri na itanya ria gucokeria ciuria cia mahuthiro ma mbeca cia bunge ya kaunti ino cia mwaka wa 2018-2019. No handu ha gutemania riboti cia mahuthiro macio, Speaker Wahome eitororeire kamiti ino iguru rigie menyamaro iria ugite we na amwe aruti a wira bunge ino makoretwo makigerera kumana na bara gatagati gake na Governor Francis Kimemia.
Maybe because this is the first time you are appearing here, we might want to get some background of this problem and where we are, especially on issues to do with the impeachment.
If we have videos which I've promised the Senator to provide, about 10 of them, they were in the darkness, purporting now to transact the business of the House without a mace, without any staff of the Assembly, and with about 10 members. And then after 10 minutes, they come out and pronounce that have been removed by a total of 30 MCs.
Bara ici nicio Speaker Wahome ataririe iremithitie mamwe ma mawira maria agiriirwo ni gukinyaniria kuringana na watho, hamwe na mugutemania riboti cia bata ta cia mahuthiro ma mbeca cia bunge ya kaunti.
The crack cannot access the documents that we are supposed to bring here. It's a very sad affair. I cannot be able to access my office and the documents that we are supposed to bring here. Actually, when I'm coming here, it's a plea that Senate take its obligations at Article 96.
How have you been operating? Because then you should have written a letter to us to indicate that you cannot appear or you cannot give evidence.
But even the first time, Chair, when we were summoned here, we wrote a very elaborate response why we are not able to bring any evidence. That time, we did not have any control of anything.
Kamiti ino itaririo kiria Speaker Wahome ugite ni kwagararwo kwa mawatho megie kuhagurwo gwake kuria augite gutumite kugia na kihingica bunge-ini ino na gutire watho na umwe wa igoti wathikirwo ona thengia wake guthii igoti-ini ihinda kwagia na thigithigi.
We have gone to court and transacted the business of who is supposed to be in the Assembly, and actually the Deputy Speaker, the clerk who was imposed there by Governor Kimemia, and the majority leader have been convicted of contempt of court orders.
Uyu ni cira kamiti ino iranire kwenjera kuona riria bara ici irathie na mbere aikari a kaunti ya Nyandarua nio marorirwo ni motungata ma bata maria magirirwo ni gukinyanirio ni bunge na kaunti ya Nyandarua.
But what is happening in Nyandarua has never happened anywhere else in this world. And it is a time, Chair, that this Senate should put its foot down and ensure that order is restored in Nyandarua.
We are an independent institution, whether they are politics or not. Once the matter is brought to the attention of the Senate, we'll be able to deal with it, as long as the law is very clear and all that.
We want Nyandarua to move on. We want devolution also to work for the people of Nyandarua. And so I think let's just adjourn, make sure that you leave the petition here.
Girifotera Inoro TV, Jitago Gathoni, Wajihia.
So let's adjourn.